Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm sharing a dairy-free turmeric milk recipe for weight loss, especially for those with thyroid and PCOS. I have already shared many videos on the health benefits of turmeric, and hence I'm not going into much detail on turmeric. If you're new here, please check my recipes on turmeric. Links will be updated below this video. Recent studies has shown that turmeric may be considered as a protective factor against inflammatory state of PCOS. Studies indicated that curcumin, which is the active ingredient in turmeric, is a natural effective compound to improve some metabolic syndrome in people with type 2 diabetes and PCOS. With regard to turmeric and thyroid, turmeric helps to relieve inflammation naturally common in thyroid disorders. Turmeric helps stimulate thyroid hormone production in hyperthyroidism, reduces risk of developing goiter, helps in autoimmune conditions that affect the thyroid gland. The antioxidants in turmeric benefits thyroid health and balance thyroid hormone levels. Turmeric also helps to manage hyperthyroidism. This dairy-free turmeric milk is a great option to those who has allergy to dairy milk. So let's get started with the recipe. Into my blender, I'm adding in 15 soaked and peeled almonds. And to know why you need to soak and peel the almonds, please check my almond milk recipe video. Links will be updated below this video. Add in 1 cup lukewarm water, half teaspoon turmeric powder, and 1/4 teaspoon freshly ground cinnamon powder. To know more about the health benefits of cinnamon, please check my video on cinnamon tea. Add in 1/4 teaspoon dry ginger powder, which is also known as chukku podi in Malayalam. Add in a fat pinch of black pepper powder. Adding black pepper is highly recommended as it helps in the absorption of turmeric faster into your body. So do not skip it. If you already have my turmeric tea mix at hand, then you can use 3/4 teaspoon of that mix instead. The links for the turmeric tea mix will be updated below this video. Now blend all this on high speed for about 40 to 50 seconds or until the ingredients are nicely blended. Please note that I'm using a high speed blender which has 1300 watt. If your blender has around 750 to 800 watt, then you may need to blend it for longer time. To sweeten this, you can add in 1 tablespoon honey. Pour the blended mix into a serving glass. You can see how thick and creamy the turmeric milk is. Sprinkle in a few strands of saffron, which is also known as kunkuma puva in Malayalam, and drizzle in 1/4 teaspoon honey, and my healthy dairy-free turmeric milk is ready to serve. If you want to have a hot cup of turmeric milk, then you can add in 1 cup of hot water instead of the lukewarm water, but do not use honey as a sweetener. Use 1 to 2 dates instead. So guys, do try this dairy-free turmeric milk and let me know how this turned out. If you like this recipe, make sure you give a thumbs up. Don't forget, I come up with new videos every Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday. So until next time, take care. Bye-bye.